Hey there everyone, thanks for coming back to the BNS channel. I wanted to share a quick little hack with you guys. I found a website called Linktree, and basically it's a place where I can do a link page, and I'll show you what that means. So if you go to linktr.ee, it'll bring you to this website. You sign up for free. You would put in your information here. The username is what you're going to use as part of your URL, so you want to just make sure that it's simple and easy for you to use. I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. Bear with me for a second. All right, so what this is going to bring me to is a place that allows me to create links and buttons. So part of my thought process with this was to create a page where people could go to and have links to our parties that are open on our website, on my Scentsy website. And so basically what I did is I just went ahead and used the party links and created a button for each party. So when they type in my website address or this address right here, it will bring them to this link page. So let me show you what it looks like, and then I'll show you how to do it. So this is what it looks like on a website. It'll be shrunken up for mobile devices, obviously, but it's super simple to do. So if I just click on Add New Button, I would put in the URL here to where I want that button to go to, or where I want it to point to, and then I can type in Edie's party. And so for each one that I create, it'll create a button that will go to that page. Another way that I thought would be helpful is to actually create one for our team. So for new consultants, I could give them this address, and on here would be a bunch of links for how to enter a party, and then I could link where that video is right here, and it would make a button for that. So how cool is that? I think that's super easy, super quick. It's a free account. Just basically would be using this link to send people to it, and it's so easy. So I wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you on the next video.